Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are comparing two powerful fitness tracker apps, Athletic and Whoop. Both promise advanced recovery insights and performance tracking. But which one truly helps you train smarter? Let's find out. Overview. Let's start with a quick overview. Whoop is a subscription based fitness tracker that comes with its own wearable band. It monitors your heart rate variability, sleep, recovery, and strain to optimize your daily performance. Athletic, on the other hand, is an Apple Watch companion app that uses your watch's existing data. No extra hardware needed. It gives you deep insights into recovery, readiness, and stress levels using your Apple Health data. Features comparison. Now, when it comes to data accuracy, Whoop tends to have the edge. Its dedicated sensor tracks HRV and strain 24 over 7. However, Athletic has improved a lot and delivers impressive insights directly from your Apple Watch. In recovery tracking, both apps shine. Whoop gives you a detailed recovery score based on sleep and strain. Athletic does something similar but adds more transparency, showing how each factor like sleep, HRV, and resting heart rate contributes to your readiness score. When it comes to sleep tracking, Whoop provides deep sleep stages and nightly trends. Athletic uses Apple's native sleep data, not as detailed, but still solid if you already sleep with your watch. And for cost, here's the big difference. Whoop costs about $30 per month, while Athletic is around $5 per month or $50 per year, and there is no extra band required. Verdict. So, which one is better? If you want dedicated pro level tracking with its own hardware and don't mind paying a premium, Whoop is your best bet. But if you already own an Apple Watch and want detailed recovery insights without another subscription or wearable, Athletic is a fantastic alternative. So that is it. Athletic versus Whoop. Both great, but for different types of users. Which one would you choose? Let me know down below in the comments. And do not forget to like, subscribe, comment, share, and goodbye.